We're at our East Columbia site where our training camp is at. So Trace, when did we plant these beans here?
These beans were planted May 28th.
So we're talking about 2 weeks ago. So on this soil applied PPO, it was right after we planted, right? So we've had these treatments on for about 2 weeks here. And what are some of the things that we're seeing? A little bit of injury from our soil applied PPOs. Trace, in the last 2 weeks, how much rain do you think we've had?
Probably over 5 inches at this point, Doug.
So we've had a lot of opportunity for this herbicide to splash up and make contact with the foliage. So seeing quite a bit of burning, necrosis here. We compare it to our non-treated soybean plant. You know, this one's looking extremely healthy, but I want to pause there and then we're going to go over and see some treatments that were applied middle of April. All right, so we moved back to some earlier treatments that we applied. So Trace, when were these pre-plant burn down treatments applied?
These were applied on April 1st.
So what, we're 60, 70 days out right now. These beans were planted about 2 weeks ago. One of the things I'm seeing here is essentially no PPO injury because we've had those applications applied so long ago. We're seeing a lot of value from these really early applications of soil applied PPO herbicides. It allows us to have a pretty decent seed bed to plant into. You know, it's not perfect, I'll admit that. There's a few plants here and there, but those are going to be a lot easier to control with some of our post options.